good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this is the new Toyota Yaris Ativ or Vios. It's just a small sedan in Thailand looking like a baby Corolla. Now Toyota has unveiled the all-new 4th generation Yaris Ativ in Thailand, an affordable small sedan sold under the name Vios nameplate in other markets. Now styling wise, the new Toyota Yaris Ativ or Vios basically looks like a baby Corolla sedan. At the front you'll see a large opening that is covering most of the bumper, flanked by 2 aggressive headlights and that are connected through the trim piece. Now the profile is more muscular and upscale looking than ever before, benefiting from the improved proportions and the larger 16-inch wheels. Finally, the rear end adopts a sportier stance with angular taillights and a more aerodynamic silhouette that is closer to the fastback body style. Now, Toyota is offering a series of sportier add-ons as a part of the optional Presto package, including the bumper and side shield extensions, plus a flamboyant rear wing. Now, more importantly, the new Toyota Yaris Ativ or Vios is based on a new DNGA platform, unlike the EU spec Yaris hatchback, which sits on a TNGA-B platform. Thus, it is slightly larger than the previous generation, measuring 4,425 millimeters, 174.2 inches long, 1,740 millimeters, 68.5 inches wide, and 1,480 millimeters, 58.3 inches tall. Now, the biggest difference is the wheelbase of 2,620 millimeters, 103 inches, which is longer by 70 millimeters, 2.8 inches compared to the previous generation. Now, under the hood, there's a naturally aspirated 1.2 liter dual VVT-IE 4-cylinder engine producing 93 horsepower, 69 kilowatts, 94 PS, and 110 newton meters, 81 pound-feet of torque. Now, the engine is exclusively combined with a Super CVT-I automatic gearbox, sending power to the front axle. And there are 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Now, the subcompact model has disc brakes on all 4 wheels, McPherson struts at the front, and coil springs at the back. Now, inside the cabin, the design looks quite modern for a vehicle of this segment, thanks to the simple layout of the dashboard and premium-looking materials for the upholstery, like the pictured red synthetic leather. Now, the freestanding 9-inch infotainment touchscreen is compatible with all modern connectivity features, alongside a 7-inch semi-digital instrument cluster behind the new steering wheel with plenty of integrated buttons. And there are 4 new USB ports, automatic air conditioning with vents for all passengers front and rear, 64 color ambient lighting, a 6-speaker Pioneer sound system, and luggage space dividers in the trunk. Now, the equipment also includes the Toyota Safety Sense suite with plenty of ADAS like adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. Now, the Toyota Yaris Ativ is already available in Thailand with prices ranging between 539,000 BHT or $15,232 and 689,000 BHT or $19,472 depending on the trim. And for good measure, the larger Toyota Corolla starts from 1,059,000 BHT or $29,932 in Thailand. Now, the rollout in other Asian markets where it would adopt the Vios nameplate will most likely follow sometime in the coming months. But with that said, what do you guys think about the baby Corolla looking Yaris Ativ or Vios in other markets? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on a new Toyota Yaris Ativ / Vios sedan. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel and enjoy what I do here, check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want backpacks, stickers, leggings, fanny packs, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Well, click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.